What is going on, guys and girls? How you doing today? It's Anger Roleplay here once again, and today I'm shooting, guys, from the new camera that I bought, and this is GoPro 8. You know, uh, this is the little thing that I really wanted for quite a while, because it will allow me to shoot more things from the outside, so that you could know more about my life, can shoot something outside of gaming with bigger quality. My telephone is about 7 years old, and the camera there is just not good enough, and at the same time the problem is I have to carry it by hand, literally, all the time, and there's no other way how I can shoot. I can't even shoot myself properly with this, but with this thing, which is GoPro, I can finally shoot some decent things with decent quality. And I would like to thank you all, guys, for your support, especially recently, which finally allowed me to save a little bit of extra cash to purchase this. For the previous year it was impossible. I was fighting with my health, and all my whatever I earned just went for the bills and for the pills and medical prescriptions and different kind of medical research. I spent a lot of money on medical stuff. This year I also kept spending on medical stuff till about March, I guess, when I had big problems with my tongue as well. Not with my tongue, with my throat. Yeah, with my throat. I had the ongoing problem since January to March, and I kept going to the fucking doctors and spending money over and over again. So it was quite very problematical to save anything, considering the bills and all other shit. But thanks to your support, guys, this little thing finally happened, and this is the only thing that I bought for myself for the entire couple of years, I guess, because the majority of things that I buy are just to keep going and just keep on streaming. Like I bought the Elgato streaming deck, which allowed me to switch scenes for streaming. I bought myself the keyboard because my keyboard just broke. I bought myself new computer because it just couldn't handle streaming Path of Exile anymore. So there were just the essential parts. There was never enough space for kind of a luxury, I guess, for me, because I always considered saving an extra as a luxury. But finally I can actually do this. I could buy this camera. So I would like to thank every one of you guys, because you made it possible. Thanks to your subscriptions, donations, Patreon, all kind of shit, cheers and bits on Twitch. Thank you so much, guys. I can't wait to show you more interesting things on YouTube, on Twitch. So thanks once again, and see you next time.